For as long as we can remember, we have always been taught to not share our personal data and banking information with anyone, and for good reasons, of course. But a few years ago, this embedded belief was contradicted by the introduction of the Payments Service Directive 2, or PSD2 for short. In today's video, we will be addressing the biggest concerns consumers have with regards to PSD2 regulations and the challenges this imposes for banks, FinTechs, and their customer relationships. Good morning, everyone. This is Mark from Payments, and today it's all about payments. While extensive research has been done on the effects of PSD2 on the banking sector, the directive's impact on consumers has been remarkably under-examined. We can see, for example, that 42% of US consumers are suspicious of how secure their shared data really is. And in 2019, an overwhelming 80% of Dutch consumers were not even aware of the PSD2 regulations, despite being influenced by them in every transaction. So the problem here is that too many consumers don't really understand why they would share their transactional and banking details. What is needed now is a serious discussion on how banks can build their customers' trust while mitigating potential financial harm to merchants, consumers, and the economy. Because there are truly huge opportunities presented with PSD2. There are simply not enough efforts by banks and financial institutions to increase consumer awareness of this law. What we have noticed so far is that ING has released a short video briefly explaining the PSD2 law, and that the Dutch National Bank launched a TV campaign about PSD2 as well. That being said, given that PSD2 requires the public to do something so counterintuitive, such as sharing their personal information, we believe that there should be more effort in educating the public on how they can benefit from PSD2 opportunities. Data security is another recurring concern when it comes to this directive, and one that is totally viable. The European banking authorities, however, have gone to great lengths to showcase their data security guidelines under PSD2 in great detail. Additionally, companies that focus on data ownership and protection, such as Dutch consultancy firm Innopay, are playing an active role in demonstrating the benefits of data sharing and how to navigate data security challenges. On a more positive note, we can see a significant increase of transparency within apps about data sharing. Is this the start of a trend to give the consumer more power over their data? Finally, banks need to act fast, because if consumer concerns and distrust remain high over the coming 5 years, it could very well be the end of PSD2, since companies would be failing to gain customers' trust. Are there more underlying consumer concerns regarding PSD2? Let us know down in the comments below. If you liked today's video, make sure to follow us. And thank you all again for watching. I'm looking forward to see you all again next week. Cheers, bye-bye.